Back at you. All right, so today we're gonna unbox an engine together, see what it looks like. This engine, this crate engine came from GM. It's a 3.6 liter engines throughout several different vehicle makes: Buick Enclave, Traverse, and Equinox. Those are the three platforms, I think. They're in Camaros also. Let's see what GM gave us and what's actually needed to install this engine into the vehicle. All right, so looks like they came with valve covers, front cover, oil pan is all on here, and that's it. So better than Dodge, Mopar. Mopar gives you nothing. But what's needed? Let's see what all you're actually going to need to reinstall this motor. So these here are the exhaust manifold gaskets. I'll show you what those look like if I get my hands on them. All right, so these are the exhaust manifold gaskets. You need both driver and passenger side. Believe it or not, it does not come with spark plugs, so you're gonna need spark plugs, an oil filter. This is a high pressure fuel pump mounting gasket, upper plenum gasket, a fuel pipe. It's a one-time use. Carries high pressure fuel. There's two of them. There's another one, okay? You got the lower intake gasket. We got a water pump gasket. We have the seals to reseal the GDI fuel injectors. Seal kit, there's two of those. This looks like the thermostat housing gasket, which goes on the back of the engine right here. Should go something like that, like this actually. That's that. High pressure pump O-ring, looks like. Dipstick O-ring. This does not come with a harmonic balancer, so we'll have to take the one from the old engine. Here's a new bolt for that. We got, should be two of these. These are the exhaust gaskets where the converter mounts to the manifold. There's two of those, one per side. Looks like that's the oil filter housing gasket where the downpipe mounts to the converter. That's those gaskets. Timing cover gasket. And then there's an O-rings, there's two O-rings here for the outlet gasket over here. O-ring right here, this little, and right there. Those two gaskets there. That should be everything. It's possible we missed something, we're human. But that's quite a bit of gaskets that's actually needed to do this install. But overall, it looks nice. I mean, there's a few things that GM could provide, like a gasket kit. GM, all the manufacturers, you should develop a gasket install kit with your engines, and we'll pay for it. Just put it all in a package. Give us a break. Till the next time. See ya.